Hello, this is Half Full Monty coming from Poverty Point, here live in my casita, 17-foot casita, 2019 Spirit Deluxe. And we're just going to tell you what I'm thinking about doing. I got me this GoPro, and so I'm just going to bring you along on some of my things I find interesting with my casita, some of the places we go and do, and some of the modifications I've done to this trailer, and also some other things that are specific to somebody that's been in Texas for multi-generations. So anyway, glad to have you on board. So please follow along, try to keep up. And so once again, this is Half Full Monty, wishing you a good day. And this is the start of spring break, so you guys be careful out there. So adios.